If you're looking for a free cinematic LUT pack for Adobe Premiere, then this video is for you. Hey there, I'm Mark Brown for Editor's Keys, and in this video we're giving our Adobe Premiere Pro Cinematic LUT Pack away for free. I'll show you the LUTs, I'll show you exactly how you can install them into Adobe Premiere, and then keep watching till the end of the video to get the coupon code so you can just download them free of charge. So let's get into it. Okay, so once you have purchased your LUTs from Editor's Keys, you should get this email which enables you to go back to the website and then download any LUTs that you've purchased. And keep coming back to this page because we will be adding more LUTs in the future. But now essentially download the LUTs to a folder you're familiar with on your Mac or PC, and then unzip the file. Inside the file is also a help file which will give you some basic instructions on how to install these LUTs. Okay, now let's open up Premiere. And what I would recommend is make sure you do a basic color correction on your footage. Get it looking nice and even. And if you want to learn more about this process, you can click up here to see a full video on how to do that. Now, once you are happy with your footage, we can then go and add this LUT. So go to the Lumetri color panel, then down to Creative, then Looks, and then you want to click Browse. From here, go to the folder of Editor's Keys Cinematic LUTs, and we're going to select the orange and teal LUT. Now, when you put this LUT on, you may see that it looks a bit too intense. So what you want to do is reduce that opacity and the intensity of that LUT, and just get it to somewhere where you feel it looks great for your footage. And each file will be different. Each bit of footage will be different. So just play around, and then you'll get the best look for your footage. Now for the vintage summer LUT. Now see what this looks like first without any adjustments, as this LUT is made to look quite Kodak, vintage looking, so just test it out first as it is quite warm and less saturated with a grainy look. So for the vintage summer LUT, we've also added a downloadable 4K grain overlay, and that gives it a more vintage film effect even more. To add, just drag the file above your clip, go over to your effects panel and change the blend mode to overlay. Then play around with the opacity. We recommend around 60 to 70%. Now let's go on to another shot and do exactly the same. We'll use the Neon Night LUT, so just do a basic color correction, apply the LUT, and boom, we're done. Now for our final shot, we've made a LUT that's specifically designed for green areas. So for example, if you're a travel vlogger and you're shooting a forest or a jungle, this LUT will be perfect for that and will really pump up those greens, adding some nice depth and color to the footage. So simply do the same as before and boom. So pretty nice LUTs, right? If you want to get those completely free of charge, then just enter this coupon code here. What I'll do to make it easier as well, if you check out the description, I'll put in a full link to the website and the coupon code just to copy and paste. There's literally nothing to sign up for, no ebook or anything like that. The LUTs are yours completely for free. And if you use them, please leave me a comment below, link us to your video so we can see how you're using our LUTs. We'd love to see them. And remember, if you want to learn more about how to get the cinematic look, if you want to learn more about what settings you should use for your camera, then check out the rest of our channel, as there's tons of videos on here, so keep watching. And I'll see you in the next video.